guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, I'll be teaching you guys how to do the eyebrows that I normally do. It's pretty easy, self-explanatory. I'm going to show you guys in the next clip, but before we go there, I just want to let you guys know all the products that I'll be using. So I am a pencil girl. I don't like to dip powder, brow. I don't like that stuff. So I'm just going to be using a regular brown pencil, which I got this from the dollar store. I'm going to be using a concealer brush. You just want something that's kind of flat like this. Some people also like to use these kind of brushes, but I just can't get jiggy with it. But I mean, to each his own. You really just need a brush to carve it out. You're gonna need some type of brow comb and brush thingy. This is what I like to use, or you could just use like a spoolie, and this is I use this on my clients. So you're gonna need some concealer. I like to use my Juvia's Place concealer, or a good one obviously is the LA Pro concealer, or any kind of concealer pretty much. Without further ado, here comes your eyebrow tutorial. Let's start off with this right here. I'm going to comb my eyebrows in the direction that I want it to go. Pretty much I want the front to be up, and then I want the back to be like this. Next, I'm going to be taking my brown pencil, and literally all you guys need to do is just trace over your natural brow shape. And boom, that's pretty much the shape of my eyebrow. So now all I'm going to do is lightly shade in, and I'm going like this. I'm just going to shade in the front just a little bit, y'all, and I'm just going to work shading backwards. So then I'm just going to go in with my brush, and all I'm going to be doing is what I did in the beginning. I'm going to be brushing it up, and then I'm going to be brushing it back. I kind of just want my hair to go all the same direction while spreading the color throughout the brow. I know it's looking crazy right now, and this one looks completely different than this one, but that's okay. That's where the concealer and everything comes into play. I'm just going to be outlining it the same exact step that I did in the beginning with my brow pencil. I'm going to be doing the same exact thing with my concealer brush. And when you're doing this part, you can manipulate your eyebrow any kind of way you want. Like if you wanted a higher arch, you could definitely just run the concealer a little higher. Now I'm going to move on to the top of the brow. So I'm going to go in with the darker shade. One thing I can honestly say is to just take your time when it comes to your brows. Just take your time. Now I'm going to take my brush and I'm just going to blend this in. So then once it's all blended out, all I do is just go back with my brush, and I'm just going to brush the hairs up and again all to the side so that I know they're all going in the same direction. And I don't know if you see this little piece right here. I'll just brush that down. And boom, these are my eyebrows. This is pretty much my eyebrow tutorial.